What's going on, you all? Welcome back to another Renegade Reacts. It has been a while, but we got a D-Lo Monday. We're going to be reacting to D-Lo, as I said before, on Monday. It's been 9 days since I last uploaded. Apologies for that. Been super busy with gaming and streaming and stuff like that. But we are back for this Monday, basically. This is the content we're going to be reacting to. This is D-Lo Sound Sketch Alton. Sound Sketch Alton, UK. Now, I'm not sure what to really expect. I feel like anything with D-Lo is pretty much a go. So let's see what we are going to be reacting to and hope that it's an absolute banger with one of the GOATs, if not the GOAT, D-Lo.
You don't get to talk like this. You don't get to run your dirty mouth like this. Jump into the kick and then I land in a skid. I would say it's calm, but you're taking the piss. Whoa, you don't get to talk like this. You don't get to run your dirty mouth like this. Jump into the kick and then I land in a skid. I would say it's calm, but you're taking the piss. Whoa, you don't get it like this. You don't get you dirty like this. Jump into the, then I land in a skid. I would say it's calm, but you're taking the piss. Whoa, you don't get to talk like this. You don't get to run your dirty mouth like this. Jump into the kick and then I land in a skid. Crowd say it's calm, you're taking the piss. Like this, jump on the like this, like this, jump on the like this, like this, jump on the like this, jump into the kick and then like hand in the skid. I would say it's palm, but you're taking the piss. Like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. You dig it like this, you dig it up, eat the ache like this, jump into the kick and then like hand in the skid. I would say it's calm, but you're taking the piss. Pow. Out. 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 You don't get to talk like this.
He's too good. He's too good, man.
Like this. Talk like you don't get a dirty mouth like jump into the then I land in a I would say but you're taking it.
Oh my gosh. Oh, no. Hold up, bro. He's doing like 3 sounds at the same time. I'm telling you, man. Like, there's nobody like this guy, man. Like, seriously. He's doing 3 different sounds simultaneously.
Talk like you don't get a dirty mouth like jump into the then I land in a like boom, boom. You dig it like boom.
Oh my gosh, man. Oh. There's so many layers.
Like this, you don't get to run your dirty mouth like this. Jump into the kick and then I land in a skid. I'd say it's calm, but you're taking the piss.
See, we're only 3 minutes in. I don't know what else to expect, honestly. I mean, he's layering sound on top of sound on top of sound. It's like a 3-layered system, 4-layered system of just transitions, the sounds on top of the sounds. It's just so difficult to master this ability that he has. I mean, he's basically In my personal opinion, he's the GOAT. I've only been a fan of GBB for like 2 months now. And I already labeled D-Lo as the GOAT because of what he's doing on his off time. Imagine being able to pay your bills, on top of that being able to compete, right? And make all this money and process and stuff like that through beatboxing. It's ridiculous. Like, he's one of the few, I'm sure, who's actually doing that. Like, he doesn't have to work another job. He doesn't really have to do much of anything outside of what he's doing right now. That's how good and elite he is. You know, it's just fascinating to me to kind of see like what he's able to do in just his own, you know, his own living space, his own living quarters. He's tired.
I'm sweating buckets right now up here. But we're doing good.
Yeah.
And we're going to check audio. It's still running?
Bruh, he's doing good, man.
Oh, beautiful lines running.
He ain't making mistakes either.
The first take was great, but it just disappeared and got me angry. But we're good. We're good. We're doing good on this one.
All right,
hopefully you see this one. Okay.
Wait. That was his first take? Like, this is what I'm saying about him, man. Like, come on. That's his first take, bro. Oh, that's mean, bro. He's mean, man.
Pay me a bill and I'll give you some drill.
Oh my God. That's so mean, man. He's from outer space, man. I don't care what anybody says. I know I made a video on him saying he's an alien. Nah, bro. Nah, he's not just any alien, man. He's from a far galaxy, far, far away. This is ridiculous. The sounds that's coming out of his vocal cords.
Pay me a bill and I'll give you some drill.
That's mean. The way he does that is just mean. And he's adding sounds. This is... Oh my God. He's mean, man. The way he just makes that sound. Here he goes. Back to the basics.
Now play with the brain.
No, bro.
A little bit of metric modulation. Whoa.
God.
Oh, I can't.
Like, literally, what am I supposed? Oh, guys. Okay. Yes, we do these reactions, as you guys know, right? What am I supposed to do? Like, what am I supposed to say? I've gotten to the point with D-Lo where there's a reason we do these D-Lo Mondays, because like I said before, he's my favorite artist in the beatboxing community right now. The flow, the transition, the sounds, it's so much being hit at you that you don't even have time to register what you're hearing. You don't even have time because he's moving so quick on the beat, moving so quick through the transitions. We got 2.5 minutes left of this video. I don't know what else he's going to pull out of his hat. Really. That first take was crazy. He topped it with the second take. Is he going to go on a 2-minute and 30-second take? Is he preparing for GBB 2023? Because that's what it seems like right now.
Kills me off. All right. It's a little sticky when the friction burned. Oh, let's get techie.
Look at him. I'm so done, bro. I'm about to cry. Literally at the end, he made all the sounds that he was using in the tracks that he just did. That's ridiculous. Like, once again, I mean, if you're new to the channel, this is why we do these D-Lo Mondays, because at the end of the day, he needs to be appreciated. Like, he needs to be appreciated for what he's doing, what he's contributing to the community. Because, guys, I'm going to be honest. If he competes this next year, GBB 2023, if he competes, he's running away with it. Like, I'm sorry. There's no one that I've seen that puts this much effort, this much work into creating new sounds and noises that correlate with his flow, that correlate with his transitional properties of switching the beat flow and just cutting straight to the point. He's pulling stuff out that I've never even heard before. Like, he's basically a loop station, right? D-Lo is the definition of a loop station. You know how you make sounds into the loop station, right? And then you make a sound that lasts like maybe 3 seconds. It stops. You stop that sound. You make another sound. You stop that sound. You make another sound. You stop that sound. And then you put them all together at the end into a combination that flows like a song. He's doing this with his lips. He's doing this with his mouth. He's doing it in such a flow where he's basically going for 3, 4, 5 minutes straight. He's not stopping to breathe. He's not stopping for air. He's doing the damn thing, basically. He's going through and practicing. He's basically practicing. He's showing us how he's practicing. D-Lo sound sketch, that's what it is. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed, as usual, hit the thumbs up, guys, please. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. We are almost at 100 subscribers, which is insane to even think about. But yeah, guys, we will continue to do D-Lo Mondays. If you have any video suggestions of what artist or artist you want me to watch, go ahead and link them down below in the comment section. I'll be sure to react to them as soon as possible. Thank you all for watching, and have a good one. Shout out to D-Lo, man. He's elite. He's just elite. Period. Peace.